And what are some of the most significant challenges facing the agriculture industry today? And are these things being addressed and how?
Yeah, first of all, they are being addressed because otherwise then won't not maybe not to the bigger extent. We still have a funding gap to
Mm-hmm.
fund our food systems. We for example, the context of Zambia, 80% or even not 90% of our food is grown by smallholder farmers, and they have no access to finance
Mm-hmm.
whatsoever. But there's now a growing need for us to come and be able to assist and support and fund smallholder farmers. There's also a challenge of climate change. It's even ravaging the challenge already. Already, as I put it, there's already very little access to finance, and
Mm-hmm.
then you've also got, farmers that are being affected by climate change, losing the very little investment that they have put on the farms. So that is drawing backwards. So there's also that being addressed. There is now climate financing opportunities, for example, that are coming up to be able to come up with the financing models and instruments that recognize or address climate change. Um, there is a huge deficit in terms of, there's a huge food losses and wastes that are taking place. It's a big challenge which we need to address. There's also we are losing productive land. Majority of our land, Henry, if you have lived long enough in Lusaka, you just need to move a few kilometers outside Lusaka, and you realize that perhaps used to be our sources of our vegetables
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
and food produce, but now have been turned into
Structures.
structures.
Yeah.
So that is a big challenge. We are losing our underground water also because of that, because